Shahbaz orders probe into wheat import. PM Shahbaz constituted an inquiry committee to probe into the reasons for wheat import. Punjab safe for American investment, Merriam tells U.S. envoy. United States has expressed keen interest in fostering closer collaboration with the Punjab government to tackle poverty and spur economic development. Gen. R. Lothi's reconciliation proposal has reached military authorities' proposal for political and institutional reconciliation, which focuses on bridging gap between establishment and PTI, has reached the military authorities. 10 parties express interest in buying stakes in PIA. Arif Habib has reportedly submitted a letter of interest, LOI, to bid for the stake sale of state-owned Pakistan International Airlines. Top story. PTI demands judicial probe into polls rigging. PTI released a white paper, encapsulating the events even before February 8 to allege that its mandate given in the general elections was stolen. Randhawa appointed ICT Commissioner. Government has appointed Pakistan Administrative Service, PAS, BPS, 20 Officer Muhammad Ali Randhawa as Chief Commissioner of the Islamabad Capital Territory, ICT. IMF wants tax net expanded, power theft curbed. Amendments to the law was a good initiative and now practical steps were required to steer the country out of financial crisis, says Azam Nazir Terror. Northern bypass to be secured with barbed wire to make Karachi safe. IGP Maimun ordered police posts and body-worn cameras around the northern bypass and other entry and exit routes of Karachi. Hamas delegation set to visit Egypt soon for further ceasefire talks. Inflation falls to two-year low at 17.3% in April. Pakistan's benchmark monthly inflation rate declined for fourth consecutive month, settling at 17.3% year-on-year in April 2024, down from previous month's 20.68%. The FBR has not yet been able to convince the PTA and telecom operators for blocking SIMs of over 0.5 million non-filers within deadline of 15 days. Bus accident in Diamur claims 20 lives.